Welcome to my channel MotoVision Hub. 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike Motorhome is a machine built for riders who want freedom without limits, comfort without compromise, and presence without saying a word. This isn't just a touring trike. It is a rolling luxury suite designed for riders who love long journeys, highway cruising, and open-road adventures where the destination doesn't matter as much as the ride itself. The new Gold Wing Trike Motorhome carries forward Honda's legacy of premium engineering, but adds a new level of functionality, stability, and long-distance capability that gives you the confidence to ride further than ever before. The heart of this machine is the legendary 1833cc flat-six engine, a smooth, quiet, and powerful motor that has been the pride of the Gold Wing platform for years. But on the 2026 Trike Motorhome version, this engine feels even better because the trike layout adds a sense of control and confidence that two wheels can't match. Whether you're climbing mountain roads, cruising highways, or gliding through long touring routes, the power delivery remains steady, refined, and balanced. The 7-speed DCT transmission makes shifting effortless, giving you automatic comfort with the option of manual control when you want a more engaging ride. The reverse gear is extremely practical, and for a trike of this size, it makes maneuvering in tight spaces simple and stress-free. What makes the 2026 Gold Wing Trike Motorhome so special is the combination of a powerful touring engine with the stability of a three-wheel platform. Riders who want maximum comfort, safety, and long-distance reliability will instantly appreciate the wide stance, planted feel, and excellent road grip from the dual rear wheels. The independent rear suspension smooths out bumps and uneven roads like you're floating on a cushion of air. The front double wishbone setup keeps the steering light and predictable, even at slow speeds or while turning tight corners. This is the kind of ride that turns long journeys into smooth, enjoyable experiences without fatigue. One of the biggest strengths of the Gold Wing Trike Motorhome is its comfort level. Honda engineered the seat to feel like a premium lounge chair with deep cushioning, excellent back support, and ergonomic shaping designed for full-day rides. Both rider and passenger enjoy a relaxed posture, generous legroom, and a commanding view of the road. This is touring luxury at its finest. Combined with heated seats, adjustable wind protection, and aerodynamic bodywork that reduces wind vibration, the trike becomes a moving living room, comfortable, warm, and quiet even at higher speeds. Technology on this model takes touring convenience to another level. The large full-color TFT display gives you a high-resolution view of navigation, ride modes, audio controls, and system settings. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto make phone connectivity effortless, so riders can enjoy music, calls, navigation apps, and more with simple handlebar controls. Bluetooth pairing is quick and reliable, and the built-in audio system fills the cabin with premium sound that elevates every mile of the journey. Safety features like traction control, advanced ABS, hill start assist, and stability management keep the trike secure on wet roads, slopes, or sudden stops. Honda doesn't take safety lightly, and this machine feels like it's constantly protecting you without interfering with the joy of riding. Storage is a major highlight of this motorhome edition. The spacious rear trunk, expanded luggage compartments, and smartly designed utility areas give you the freedom to carry more gear, tools, clothes, and travel essentials than ever before. Whether you're planning a weekend escape or a cross-country adventure, the Gold Wing Trike Motorhome has room for everything. Some designs even integrate optional motorhome-style add-ons, making the trike capable of serving as a mini touring camper for riders who enjoy extended travel. Styling of the 2026 model stands out with a bold and muscular presence. The big front fairing, sculpted body panels, powerful LED headlights, and wide rear stance give the trike a premium and commanding look. The metallic paint finish, chrome accents, and sleek aerodynamic shaping make it a true head-turner in any showroom or on any road. Each line of the design serves both performance and beauty, making the trike look futuristic while still carrying the Gold Wing identity. What sets this machine apart from typical motorcycles is the feeling it gives, a sense of freedom blended with luxury, an invitation to ride farther without ever feeling tired. It's built for riders who want to explore new places, travel with comfort, and enjoy the open road with full confidence and style. Whether you're riding solo or with a companion, the 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike Motorhome transforms every journey into a memorable experience. In the end, this machine isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle. It represents adventure, comfort, stability, and elegance in one powerful package. For riders who want the best of both travel and touring, the Gold Wing Trike Motorhome remains one of the finest creations Honda has ever produced.